What's up, my people? Blessed every time. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back again, people. Now, today, people, we have some food to cook up. See, actually, just the meat kind we're cooking up. Cause we already have some rice from last night, you know, which is good. It's good rice, really, whole wheat, which is nice. So now we're gonna make some. We're gonna make some. I want to make some curry chicken, really. Right, so what I have for my curry chicken, I missed one thing. No, not this piece. Alright, people, so now what we have for a curry chicken, let me bring it and show you, right? Let me bring you a close up, people. Right? Curry chicken, my chicken is right there, washed with lemon juice, I'm saying salt and vinegar, right? Wash it nicely clean, see? And skins off, you know, so which is good. So today, people, we're gonna make a curry chicken with, I'm gonna use garlic, this is cilantro, right? We have habanero pepper, we have 1 tomatoes, we have a piece of ginger, yellow onions, green onions, and then sweet bell pepper. See? Very easy. See? I put in more recipe in it. There's other recipe that go with my curry, but those recipe, you know, cannot give out all the recipe. You know, you can't give out all the recipe. You know what's happening nowadays? People are running with other people's recipe. See? And enough people don't like that. So I don't like that, really. So, you know, by all means. But when you're doing curry, you know, you can use all of this, but add whatever ingredients you want, right? You have to make it up to yours, right? But all of this recipe that I'm putting now, it's all my recipe. I didn't borrow it from nobody. I didn't watch nobody. I just come with my own. I created my own thing. See, so watch, I'm gonna create my own dish. See, I have my ginger. See, garlic, cilantro, some tomatoes, all of that. See? And some people will say don't put tomatoes in curry, but again, that's my thing. Right? So watch what I got, my peeps. I'll show you what's up now, people. Making all my ginger. So the ginger now. This is my ginger, my people. The only part I cut off, I even don't see the skin I use, right? Nice. I like that. Just make sure you clean it up nice. Because I like to use sometimes I cook my ginger. I use the skin, right? I just beat it up, everything, and just dice it up real quick. But you gotta clean it good, really. Alright, my people. Just setting my camera up so make sure everything can be seen. Yes, babe, so now, oops, sorry. Alright, my babe, camera set, everything set. Now, before I put in my curry, I'm going to make sure I want all my food cut up first, right? I want to put in all these fresh herbs first. I want to put them in first. So I'll cut up my onions. cut up my green onions. Right, that's the thing. Now cut up my pepper, which is habanero pepper. Alright, pepper done. Cut up my ginger. Okay. Here my people, cut it up nicely. Right. Now my garlic. Alright, my cilantro. And I like cilantro in my curry because the cilantro gives the curry a good taste. You know, really. You actually taste the cilantro. Which is a good thing. Alright, now my sweet bell pepper. And I'll baby this because I chop them up. Chop it up real quick, quick. Then real quick. Alright my people, everything done. Put up my tomatoes. Alright my people, everything done. That's it. Now, just before we put it in, we need a dish. We want to put everything into a dish for now until put all my herbs and my spice inside of a dish for now until I want to cut up this chicken smaller. Right? Just a couple pieces of them need to cut up smaller, so you know I want to make my curry chicken, but I don't want big fat chicken to make my curry chicken. That doesn't look good. Cut it up nicely. You cut it up bite size. So whatever you eat with it, you take up a piece, boom. You don't have to cut nothing. It's already cut. Alright my people. That's what's going on my chicken, my curry chicken, right? So, alright people. Let me draw from my butcher knife. What I call my chef knife. Which that's what they call. Chef knife. And you know it's you don't have to introduce my Colt 45, right? This is my beer, man. My favorite beer. Trust me people. But I don't really take a sip yet. Just what I meant. Let me chop up this first. Right? Let it do what it do first. That's what I mean, people. Chop it up just like that. Nice, cut off that piece of fat. Nice. Chop it up. Chop it up curry chicken style. See? Chicken nice and clean, man. Every bit of fat come out here. Everything. That is it. Alright, the rest of it don't have to chop up. The rest of it is the chicken wings and stuff. They already chop up. You don't want to chop this up no smaller. Right? That's all good. See? But I tell you already, peeps, I'll tell you again. I wash it already, but for the camera, I'll wash it again. See? As I said, I throw white vinegar. Right? This is I wash my chicken. Right? And then I throw some lemon juice. Wash it up, people. Wash it. See? Anything that you're going to go inside there, you got to make sure it's clean 100%. Once it's in, there's no out. Okay? Before you come out, you got to damage everything. Alright, so you just wash them nicely. And it's clean already, so but, you know. Alright, see, we're going to rub it up nicely. Use cold water, do not hot water. Really. I always tell people. Alright my people, there it is, nice and clean. Okay? Nice and clean my people, look at that. Okay? Yeah my people, look at it, look how clean it is. The vinegar lemon and salt, make it nice and clean, man. Trust me, people. So now, my people, all of this is for this, just like that. Right? And make sure I get every bit of piece of my seasoning out. Nowadays, seasoning too expensive. So throw it away. Alright, peeps, so that's it. So now we're gonna pour on some stuff, but I need my hands. Alright? Alright, people, just put back this up here for a minute. Thank you. Alright, peeps. Then we're gonna throw some curry. Right, this is turmeric. Anybody watch my video know I love turmeric. Yeah. Yeah, peeps. So we're gonna throw in a little bit of seasoning. Right. And then we throw some, this is all-purpose Maggi. Seeing people, so nice. This is chili pepper, really. Red hot chili pepper. And as I said, my peeps, some of my secret recipe, just cannot tell. I make my own recipe, I bottle it, I save it. Okay? Really do. Yeah? Yeah, man. I throw my secret recipe in it. Yeah? And to make sure none don't go to waste, I leave a little bit of water in it just to rinse it out. Okay? You know, sorry about that, people, but you can't just give away all your secret recipes. Some of them I'll give away, you know, but some I just like to hold on to it. Then because I get approached by a lot of people already want to know my recipe. You know, so you want to use it in his restaurant. So, you say, hey, no, I don't think so. No. You have a restaurant, you gotta create your own recipe. So now, before I'm gonna mix it up, but I gotta wet my hands because curry and turmeric is something that need respect. Yeah, really. Just a little bit. Nice, that's it. Anything else you guys don't know? You were meant to know. Nice. And then I'll throw in some pimento seed, right? Allspice seed. I can tell you that. Now I'm going to mix up everything now, people. Look how beautiful this thing is, man. Let me show you. Look at the beauty of this thing. And I didn't mix it up yet. And people, look at that. That's my curry chicken, my secret recipe. Then everything is in it, people. Onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, and habanero pepper. Not one, but two. Because one of them is not so hot, so you understand, I like to eat. And there's ginger, saying that will give the curry a big boost. Cilantro, and the next one give the curry a nice boost, So watch this now. Mix it up, people. Get your hand mix up in the flour, in this curry. Don't be afraid and worry about curry not coming off. It will take 2 days before it come off, I tell you that. Nice. Alright, see? And then I'm gonna throw this in the pot. We're gonna burn some curry first. Throw this in the pot. Right now, people, look at that. Look at that, man. Look at that, people. Curry chicken, man. Alright. I think you still need a little bit more curry on it, really. But that's just me, right? So let me drop a little bit more on it. A little bit more. Oh, right here. Curry, I want the curry to be known. I'm a big lover of curry. I love curry. Turmeric curry, yeah, man. With ginger and garlic, that's a powerful remedy right there. Alright, people. So you need some little bit more curry in it to mix him up, and then you rub him in now. See? I know you want a little bit more, man. Alright, look at that. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Mix him up nicely. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, people. Yes, that's my curry chicken, people. Look at that. Nice, don't it? Really, really, really nice. See, so now we're going to turn on the fire and put it on, make it bubble. See, one time. All right, people, let me wash off my hand. And because I can feel the pepper. I can feel the pepper on my hand. See, my hand's still yellow, Beautiful, people. My hand's still yellow. You've got the turmeric and the curry, and they will make it stronger. The cilantro and the garlic, the ginger, make it really stronger. So, especially cilantro. Cilantro make the curry 10 times stronger. Really. All right. All right, people, clean. Still yellow, but in 2 days it will come off. Just give it a day. You know, curry in your hand is not bad either. You know? It's good for you. If it's good for the inside, it's good for the outside too. You know, that's what a doctor told me that. So anything you eat and it's good for your inside, it's good for the outside too. Which I agree with her really. Which I agree. Alright, now peeps. Let's see our pot. We can use this or we can use this, but we're gonna use this pot still because, you know, a curry thing we are deal with. We're not the frying thing. So I'm gonna throw some oil in this. Nice. It looks like much, but it's not much, peeps. Trust me. It's not much at all. Alright, turn on my stove. And then I'm gonna throw some curry in, but we'll make the head get hot first. I'm gonna throw some curry in and make the curry kind of brownish. You know, they call it burnt, but the curry just change color. You know, release all the things you will need to release before you throw in the curry. All right, people. So let me just pop my beer. Let me pop my beer, my people. I'll just watch that pot. Make sure it don't get too hot. I like to check my beer, you know, really. Before you put something to your head that you don't know where it comes from, clean it. Yeah? Just clean it. It doesn't take that much. Alright, so now we'll curry. Yep. Alright, we have a curry, people. We have a curry and the turmeric. Okay? Yeah, my people, you know. Box up a nice curry chicken. See? You know, we already have rice from yesterday, well, last night to be exact, really. So cheers, people, before I take a drink. Cheers to you guys, to my subscribers, the viewers, everybody out there, man. See? Thank you very much for watching my videos. You know, like and sharing and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Flint Food Adventure TV, and you can check out Flint BC TV. Understand? That's it. Yeah, people. Beer nice, man. Oh, cheers, brother. I forgot to we don't cheers me neither, so. Come on, let's cheers, brother. Alright, people. Cheers to you two guys, people, really. Alright, so my oil is bubbling. So let's throw in some curry. This little oil is tiny little oil, man. Alright. What's going on? Then turmeric. That's it, my people. I'll bring it on, make you see what's going on, my face. Now, look at that now. Look at this, people. Look at my curry pot. You need a big spoon. You need a curry spoon. See, that's what we're looking for right there. Yeah? That's what we're looking for. See that? The color change from the curry. Release the toxin inside the curry. So now when you're throwing your meat, man, you smell it. Smell like you can eat right now. And it's just the curry alone. And turmeric. Alright, people, see that? It's nice, right? Really, that's really, really nice. Right there. So, without further ado, our meat in the pot. Should we throw it in now? Yeah, why not? Not even a little bit at a time. Let's throw the whole rice, people. Throw the whole rice. People. Mix up that bad boy now. Mix him up. You want to mix up, people. Mix him up like you're mixing cement. Yeah? Now look at that. Look at the curry now. Look at the people. Look how beautiful it is. Yeah, man. Yeah, my people. So beautiful it looks. And it tastes good too. Trust me. All the herbs and spice in it, everything in it. Really nice. Yeah? And then we're gonna try, we have some frozen carrots and veggies. We're gonna throw some in it, but we're not gonna throw too much to overpower it, right? We're gonna throw in enough to make it equal. See? So anything you eat, you gotta make it even, you gotta make it half and half. See? So with veggies inside it already, we're gonna throw some more veggies to balance out with the meat. See? So yeah, we're not just eat pure meat alone. Alright, my people, let me put this down because I need to grab this thing out of the fridge. No need to grab my frozen veggie. Right. And then this is some okra. Yeah, we're gonna put okra in it too. Oh yeah, we do. Yeah, man, the okra already diced up, which is good. Right, my people. Look at that. Ooh. My people, trust me. Alright, we could turn this down, so we don't want him too high, right? We want him cooked nicely. See? Look at this piece. Let me show you my curry pot, man. Look at it. Look how amazing this curry pot looks, people. Look at that. Really, really nice, people. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cover him down and make him go and sweat out. The more sweat him sweat, the more juice him create for himself. I don't have to put no water in it. None. Just put all the veggies that I need to put in. That's it. Oops. I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, this is not the right cover for that part, but I'm gonna use it for now. So, yeah, people. So once again, check this out, right? I have to cut up. Some of these things are just big, right? It's too. I don't. See, like carrot like this, this is a big carrot. I don't want that going in my meat pot like that, no. So I cut it up. I want them to cut up like that. cut up the big ones. Then I want to cut up the big one, not the small ones. Nice. Any more big ones? No. No, not really. But when I'm on the trend, may as well continue. Nice. Oop. I don't see that. All right, the rest of them, it's good, right? It's just those big piece of carrot, and when they cut it in the freezer, when they cut it in a just big round slice. I don't want that big thing in my meat. No, not supposed to be bigger than my meat. So this is the one, and I like it. See that? Nice. You know, people can actually eat it instead of pick a big thing. No. So I put it there, and then we're gonna check it over. Oh boy, my people. So I'm gonna show you what I mean when I said cover the chicken and make it sweat. Okay? What the sweat mean? Really sweat. It's like when you're working in the sun and you sweat running off you. Same thing with the chicken. Okay? So you see I put it in the curry with the oil, right? I didn't put no water on it. Let me show you. You leave the chicken, cover it up and turn it down low and make it sweat. Now look at that, people. Okay? Look at that. Okay? Okay, now show you. See the sweat? That's the whole sweat coming from the chicken, which is good. And then you have the sweet bell pepper and the onions and scallion and thyme and habanero pepper. All of those contribute to the sweating. Eh? Then you have my allspice, which I'll show you. That black thing, that's allspice. Pimento. And ginger. This bad boy is gonna taste really delicious. Delicious. Italian say this delicious, what is it? Italian say delicious. I can't even say it right, but yeah. Yeah, my people, look at that. So I'm making go on for a little bit more, no? And then we're gonna throw in all of my veggie. Then everything gonna go in, which is nice. Then and then cover him up and make him do thing. Yeah, that's it, my peeps. And otherwise, food already and everything done. Yeah. Yeah, boy. I am my sauteed onions from last night. I won't make it go waste. I'll add it to it. See, those are onion and habanero pepper. 3 kind of pepper too. Habanero and ghost pepper. So it's really up there in the spice. So make it go and do its thing, people. It's on low. Make it go and do its thing. Then, and that is that. When I'm done now, I'll have to do just wash up at these things, small things, which is pretty good. Then, once again, people, cheers. Yeah, man. All right, my people. Ah, smell good. Smell good. But you know, I'm the chef, so the chef gotta taste his cooking. The best way I can taste it, it have to be cold. When it's cold, I can taste, you know, if the seasoning is right and the water put in it. But when it's hot, you cannot taste nothing. You don't go worrying about the heat. The first thing that hit me, the ginger, the cilantro, and the garlic, and the pepper. The first thing hit me, the ginger, cilantro, and habanero pepper. Really nice. And the curry. Totally goes with cilantro, and this thing go good with curry, you know. Really good. So that's the recipe for the day, people. Otherwise, you guys just mix up and then blend, you know? That's it. I give you the recipe, run with it, people. Then everything I gave you, except not everything, just some things. Then you gotta add your own to it. The 2 things I don't put in it, I don't tell you about. Those are the 2 things you gotta put in, what your 2 things you like, right? So maybe you don't have to put in the same 2 things to make it the same thing. Put in your 2 things and see it come out. It'll come out good because 90% of it we're using is mine. So once you use mine, you can't go back. No matter what you put in, cannot spoil it. You add to it. Nice. Alright, next minute I can just throw in these. Right, but I gotta throw a little bit of water to wash out the seasoning though, that's the only thing. Got the seasoning around the rim. I just can't make it go waste. Alright, thanks. I don't want the seasoning to go waste, man. Too much seasoning to go waste. So we're throwing that and we're throwing the okra in it. Yeah, man, okra and curry, good thing. All right. No. There are another left seasoning of people. I don't left my seasoning in the pot. Alright people, look at this. Check it out. Check it out, my good peeps. Yeah? Look at that. Oops. That's a piece jump out. Look at this, people. Yeah. Now what you're gonna do now? I'm gonna cover it down and make it do its thing. It will tell you when it's ready. Trust me. It always do tell me when it's ready. Look at that one, peep. We're gonna bring back that to a boil now. Make it simmer, you know, and then lock him off. That is it, my people. My curry chicken recipe. Right? You gotta watch the video, peeps. Watch the video to get the cooking. Because there's only so much dish you can eat. You must get tired of one dish. You want different recipe to make the food interesting. Cover about this. Right, so now that we've done all of that, I'm going to wash these things up. I'm going to wash out my meat board and my knife. You gotta cleanse this thing out, huh? Especially when the meat, you cut meat on it. I don't want no bacteria in my board. Nice. All right. The board dry. Let it make him stay and just dry. Then I gotta wash my chef knife. This knife I never leave out. I always wash it and put it right back. Yeah. See? Chef knife never leave out. Once I finish using, I wash it and put it back. Lock it away. You know, put it back. Don't play with this knife. Really. You know, my chef knife, man. See? That's it. Lock him up, put him back. Alright, nice. Alright, so yeah, people, without further ado, I say again, thank you very much for watching, liking, sharing, subscribe. You know, tell a friend to tell a friend. Saying Flint Food Adventure, Flint Food and Adventure TV. Then check it out, like, you know. You want the recipe, people, you gotta watch the videos, you know. And trust me, you won't sorry, but if you're gonna cook this, 2 things gotta be in it. Couple of things: pepper, cilantro, and ginger. You won't go wrong, trust me. But if you don't like spice like that, then don't put none of them in it. Just use the curry. Then it's for people who like to eat meal and taste interesting food with different spice, different from how other people cook it. And you can taste it, then you cook it that way. Ginger, cilantro, and pepper. See? Garlic, everything gotta be in it. See? As you see, I put sweet bell pepper, tomatoes, onions. I'm saying, I just cook. I love to cook. Okay? My #1 thing is cook. See? So no matter how tired I am, I'm gonna cook. People, this beer, I've got to call him up one day now. Yeah, man. Nice, nice. People, Food is coming so good. It's coming so good, my people. Before I hang up, I want you guys to see. Before I stop this live, I want you guys to see. Let me show you before we end this live, people. This video live. Alright, people, look at it. Now, my peeps, yeah. So all that juice is gonna trickle down. It's gonna simmer down right until it's nice and juicy and thick. Right. So we want it like this for now. So everything get a nice flavor of cooking. Then really, really nice, people. Trust me. Allspice, pimento seed. If you never use pimento seed, you guys are missing out. Okay? When you go to Jamaica, you can bring it back. It's not a wet food. Only wet product you cannot bring back. You know, somehow the airport will stop you. But like pimento seed and stuff like that, sure you can. That's how we get this. Authentically Jamaican spice. Everything I use is Jamaican spice, people. Everything I use in it is Jamaican. Down to the ginger. I know Jamaica has some of the best ginger in the world, really, because the soil, you know, the soil, we have mineral soil. The soil that we walk on, it's mineral. Red dirt, people. Look at that, nice. Really nice. Alright, my people. Thank you very much for watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Same peeps. Until the next one, my people. Bless up every time, I'm saying. You know, go try out the Cold 45, man. This thing, really, really good. Peace.